TapSwap is an innovative project in decentralized finance, very similar to Notcoin, but it uses the Solana blockchain to create a fast, efficient, and secure platform for cryptocurrency exchange. There is now a unique opportunity to join the TapSwap project at an early stage and secure significantly greater benefits. Don't miss the chance to be among the first to discover the advantages of the TAPS coin. TapSwap introduces the TAPS token, which is a key element of its ecosystem, with a maximum quantity of 1 billion tokens. The project focuses on decentralized governance, allowing token holders to participate in decision-making. Thus, unlike Notcoin, the quantity of coins is immediately limited, which will ensure a higher value of the coin. All you need to do to receive coins is to open the TapSwap Telegram bot and start mining. In this guide, we'll walk you through the steps to participate in the TapSwap airdrop and maximize your earning potential. The first step is simple. Install Telegram app and create an account. Don't expect me to cover more details because it's easy as F. Step 2. Access the TapSwap Telegram bot. Go to your saved messages and type at TapSwap_bot. Hit send and click on the ID. You'll be directed to the TapSwap Telegram bot interface. Step 3. Initiate a conversation upon accessing the TapSwap Telegram bot. Click on the Start button or type /start in the chat. The bot will greet you and provide you with information about TapSwap. Hit Start now and wait. After a few seconds, you can see the interface. Step 4. Earn tokens. Tap, tap, tap. It's the easiest way to do that. Coins are mined by tapping the corresponding icon in the center of the screen. The total number of mined tokens is displayed at the top of the screen. Additionally, the recharge limit for each mining session is shown at the bottom of the screen. Once this limit is reached, you must wait for the tap to recharge before resuming mining activities. You can boost your mining process by using Boost feature. The Boost feature provides various functions to improve the token mining process. In the section titled Your Daily Boosters, 2 options are available: Taping Guru and Full Tank. Taping Guru enables you to mine more tokens, while the Full Tank allows for faster top-up of the token page. In addition, at the bottom of this section, for other types of amplifiers are designed, each of which serves a specific purpose. The first booster, Multi-Tap, increases the number of tokens earned with each click. Once activated, this option adds a token to the feature, the cost of which increases with each subsequent step. The second booster, the Energy Limit, boosts the amount of tokens in the mineable coin pool. Similar to the previous option, its cost increases at each stage. The third booster, Recharge Speed, increases the recharge speed of mineable tokens. However, it costs more than the previous 2 options. Finally, TapBot is an automated bot that does the mining for you. A total of 200,000 coins are required to activate it, that you were able to mine Tap while you were sleeping with the help of this part of the Tap extraction training in the TapSwap project. The task section in the TapSwap project offers 3 options: Special Tasks, Leagues, and Ref Tasks. Special tasks include specific activities related to social networks or blockchain projects that allow users to earn tokens. Leagues tasks are focused on the growth of the user's account and at each stage change, offers rewards that the user can claim. Finally, Ref tasks are centered around inviting friends. If a person joins the project through the user's invitation link, the user can earn 2,500 coins per person from this part. On the homepage of the TapSwap project, the Ref section is dedicated to inviting others to participate in the game. By selecting this option, users will be redirected to a new page where they can click on the Invite a Friend button. This action will cause them to exit the game environment, and the TapSwap bot page will be displayed in Telegram with a new message. In this message, users can click on the Invite a Friend option and send the invitation link to anyone they choose. The status option is an essential feature that provides information about your personal status as well as general user activity. By entering this page, you can see a part of all the taps that are assigned to users. Basically, this option represents the amount of tokens you will receive, which is determined by the ratio of your tokens to others' tokens on a scale of 150 million tokens. That was all the information you need to know about TapSwap. Don't miss out on this exciting opportunity. Access the TapSwap Telegram bot today and start earning rewards. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to show some love and hit the like and subscribe button. See you next time.